A second healthcare worker has tested positive for Ebola at the Texas hospital which treated the first Ebola patient diagnosed in the U.S. Like Nina Pham, the first healthcare worker who contracted the disease, this person was one of the Texas Health Presbyterian Hospital staff who took care of Thomas Eric Duncan, who died from Ebola on October 8th. A statement released by the Texas Department of State Health Services says the worker, who was not named, reported a fever on Tuesday, after which they were immediately isolated. While the statement doesn't say exactly how the worker became infected, nurses working at the hospital have reportedly described a confused and chaotic response to Duncan's initial arrival. In light of Pham's diagnosis with Ebola, National Nurses United called for hospitals to upgrade their emergency preparations for Ebola. Health officials have said they are monitoring anyone who may have potentially been exposed to Ebola through the worker. For Newsy, I'm Sebastián Martinez.